Hi guys, good morning all of you. As you know that we have not been meeting each other for so many days during lockdown of the country because lockdown is necessary to defeat the war of corona, and distancing is also compulsory. So how to do my job and how to do my duty with keeping view in the mind to protect from coronavirus. It is first of all keep the social distancing, and expect every students would like to stay at home, and most of time they will try to give on a study. So now today I am going to teach you first chapter of science, crop productions and management through video classes. In these chapters, two terms is given. First term is crop productions and second term is management. First of all, we will try to understand what is mean of crop. Everybody know about the crop related to plant. But when plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale or a large area is called crop. Let us consider through an example. Suppose that a friend whose name is Bujo. The father of Bujo cultivated paddy at a large scale as area of 5 acre. That means these crops, this paddy, you can say that this is the paddy crops. Like that one, wheat crops, if wheat is cultivated on large scale, maize crops, if maize is cultivated on large scale. So crop productions. And the second term, management. What is the importance of management? For understanding this word management, you have to understand what is the necessary of food. Everybody know about this. The whole world necessary the food for surviving their life. Without food, we cannot live for a long day. So that is the main problem in front of the government, how to distribute the food on this vast and large scale of populations. For distributing this large scale, for distributing the food on this large scale populations, we have to need see there, here is written large populations, regular productions, proper management and distribution system. First of all, we need regular productions. Every year you have to grow paddy, wheat, maize, whatever the need in our nations, whatever need for the people. Proper management. We have to store the paddy, we have to store wheat, we have to store maize for for using it on a long time. And third is most necessary, distribution system, that means the supply chain, how this food received by every people of the nation, that is the necessary. So in this chapter we will study this one. The first of all, today I will study agriculture practices. How agricultural practices means how to grow the crops, what is the method of crops, how many types of crops. First of all, we have seen the types of crops in earlier PDF notes that I had given uh, earlier few days. In these chapters we will study the explanation of types of two chapters, two crops, sorry, not chapters, types of two crops. First of all, kharif crops. Basically, in our country, according to weather and seasons, crops are distributed on two types. First, kharif crops and second, rabi crops. Kharif crops, which are the crops which are sown means bona, sown means bona in the rainy seasons, that means the season June to September, are called kharif crops. Like example, paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut and cotton. Here is given the example that is most necessary to learn it. Paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut and cotton are kharif crops. This is very important topic, not for the class 8 only. It is, this topic is very compulsory for higher competitions also. And second one is rabi crops. Rabi crops are grown in the winter season, that means October to March, are called rabi crops. Wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. Linseed means masoor. Linseed means masoor. If you want to write here, you can write masoor. Masoor dal. Masoor, linseed. Besides these two basic crops, that means two basic crops means rabi crops and kharif crops, pulses and vegetables are grown during summer at many places. Now this time you also observe so many types of vegetables and pulses are planted in the field. And the second, write the basic practices of crops, how to produce, how to plant the crops. Cultivation of crops involves several activities which are listed below. First of all, preparation of soil. Preparation of soil is first a step to plant crop. It is necessary for plant. In the preparations of soil, we tilted the soil, we so that soil became loosened and air or carbon dioxide can enters under the soil and root can spread under the soil. It helps to grow the plant. If you Want to see the importance of cultivations, the preparations. Loosen soil allowed to roots. Loosen soil allows to roots to penetrate deep into the soil, and it allows the roots to breathe easily even when they go deep into the soil. Why does the loosening of soil allow the roots to breathe easily? Why? What is the necessary of this one? Now, these questions we will solve next classes. But before going ahead, here is given some homework. You will see this homework. Why paddy cannot be grown in the winter season? If after completing this homework you can WhatsApp on my number 765474397992. 7654739792. I expect all of you would understand these chapters and this topic. If you have any problem, then you can also ask on this number. You can contact on this number. Thank you so much. Very, very thanks.